Are you ready for a year of action and breakthroughs? 2025 is your time to shine. With Jupiter amplifying your ambitions early in the year and Saturn guiding you to build a solid foundation, this is a year to transform your dreams into reality. Fire, energy, and courage define your journey, just like the fiery sign you are. Before we dive into what's ahead in your health, career, finances, and love life, take a moment to like this video. Your support fuels more content like this. And while you're here, share your biggest goals for 2025 in the comments. Let's set the stage for an unforgettable year. Now, let's uncover what's written in the stars for you. 2025 encourages you to prioritize balance and energy management, Aries. With Jupiter in your sign until May, you'll feel unstoppable. Your energy levels will be through the roof. This is a fantastic time to start a new fitness routine or tackle physical challenges you've been putting off. Whether it's running a marathon, trying martial arts, or exploring outdoor adventures, the stars are on your side. However, with Saturn moving through your sector of health, you'll need to balance this fiery energy with self-care. Listen to your body, especially around mid-year when fatigue might catch up with you. Incorporating rest, mindfulness, and hydration into your routine will keep you in top form. By October, eclipses could reveal hidden emotional or physical stress. Pay attention to what surfaces. It's a chance to realign your mind and body. Remember, Aries, strength comes from knowing when to rest and when to charge forward. Aries, 2025 is a game-changing year for your career. Jupiter's powerful influence in your sign until May pushes you to dream big and take risks. This is your moment to lead, innovate, and seize opportunities. Whether you're aiming for a promotion, launching a business, or pursuing a new role, the stars favor bold moves early in the year. Saturn in Pisces will encourage you to build your career with patience and precision. Between March and July, focus on fine-tuning your skills or pursuing additional training. This will set you apart from the competition. April and May are particularly dynamic months. Mars, your ruling planet, energizes your professional life, boosting confidence and motivation. Keep an eye out for unexpected collaborations or partnerships during this time. They could open doors you didn't know existed. Financially, 2025 brings both growth and responsibility. Jupiter supports your efforts to increase income, particularly in the first half of the year. Investments, side projects, or entrepreneurial ventures could bring financial rewards. However, with Saturn emphasizing discipline, you'll need to be mindful of budgeting. Create a financial plan and stick to it. August and September might bring unexpected expenses, so having a safety net will be crucial. Eclipses in April and October could highlight key financial turning points. Use these times to reassess your spending habits and ensure you're aligned with your long-term goals. In love, Aries, 2025 offers the perfect mix of passion and depth. If you're in a relationship, Jupiter's influence will add excitement and adventure to your partnership. Consider planning a special trip or taking on a new challenge together. It'll strengthen your bond. For singles, the first half of the year is electric. You'll exude confidence and attract people who admire your fiery spirit. Pay attention to March and May. These months are ripe for new connections. Venus retrograde in late summer might stir up emotions from the past. Old flames or unresolved feelings could resurface. Use this time to gain clarity and let go of what no longer serves you. By the fall, the energy shifts towards stability. Whether you're deepening an existing relationship or starting a new one, the stars align to help you build something meaningful. Aries, 2025 is your year to lead with courage and conviction. The universe supports your ambition, energy, and passion. Trust your instincts, embrace the challenges, and watch as you rise to new heights. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive forecasts and empowering insights. Together, let's make 2025 a year to remember.